Everyone, as you know, nowadays we are discussing your new chapter, that is the hack driver. Okay, you know, this is a kind of joke. This is so much interesting story, and the hack driver promises to make Lutkins meet to the liar, and but in what way? Your question comes. In this story, does he find him? Who is Lutkins? We have to find that his liar succeeded to find Lutkins, and who is Lutkins. Okay, but we are discussing summary of this chapter, and I know we have discussed the title story related to joke. Okay, means you can say that this story belongs to a kind of joke. Second, narrator's law graduate. Third, narrator's job. Fourth, goes to new million. Okay, and last, disappointment. This is title means this heading is also been taught meets a hack driver. So guys, today we will discuss tells purpose of visit. Hack driver offers help. Liar told him means liar told about the Lutkins to the hack driver. Okay, the hack driver told him that he knew Lutkins very well. When liar told the purpose for coming million, then hack driver told to the liar that he knew Lutkins. Hack driver offers help means here hack driver was offered help of to find Lutkins. He would charge him £2 per hour for serving him along with his cart. Next heading would be Bill the hack driver's advice. Okay, as you can know that hack driver is also known as a Will. So the hack driver, whom people called Will, advised the liar to keep out of sight while he inquired about Lutkins, otherwise he would slip from that place. Okay, so in this way you can say that the hack driver, whom people called Will, means in other way you can say that hack driver is also known as Will. So here hack driver advised the liar to keep out of sight while he inquired about Lutkins, otherwise he would slip from that place. This is so much interesting story. Means just now you can say that a liar had to follow a hack driver, so is known as Abel. At Fritz shop, he first took the liar to Fritz shop, while Lutkins mostly played pokers, them to Gustav's and Gray's barber shop and to the pool room with no success. Means so where Bill used to know where he may find Lutkins. Firstly, he went there. Bill and the liar take lunch. After searching out few hours, Bill and liar started to take lunch. By then the liar was hungry. Okay, Bill bought him lunch for half a pound from his wife, as food at all the 4 restaurants in the village was bad. Means here you can say that Bill said to the liar that all the restaurant of this million is not good. This is a good restaurant, so he purchased a lunch for half a pound. While eating lunch, Bill gave a rosy and refreshing picture of the village people and their wisdom. Means while they were taking lunch at that time, Bill described about the characteristics of his village. Liar impressed by New Million. The liar got so impressed that he thought of leaving the job and starting his practice in New Million. Okay? Liar impressed by New Million. The liar got so impressed that he thought of leaving the job and starting his practice in New Million. Means here we can say that Bill was so much smart that he changed the mind of a liar. Bill takes liar to the farm of Lutkin's mother. After taking lunch, Bill takes liar to the farm of Lutkin's mother. Finally, Bill took liar to the farm of Lutkin's mother. She was a tall, cheerful, fat but a very active lady. Here Billy's Dream's narrator is describing about the characteristics as in other words we can say that physical appearance of Lutkin's mother. When they inquired about Lutkins, she laughed and chased them with a burning hot rod. Okay, when they inquired about Lutkins means when Bill and advocate asked Lutkins' mother about Lutkins, then Lutkins' mother laughed and chased them with a burning hot rod. Bill searched in the barn and stable, but he was nowhere. Liar leaves without serving summons. It was nearly time for the last train, so the liar returned without serving summons. Means here, liar did not success in his purpose. Next morning, when he reported, the chief became very angry. He sent him back to New Million with a man who knew Lutkins by face. Bill talking to mother at a station. At the station, the liar saw Bill talking to Lutkins' mother in friendly manner. Okay, this is also a surprising matter. Liar surprised. The liar was surprised to know from his company was no other man than Lutkins himself. Liar heard the summons was served, but the liar felt hurt. He had become a laughing stock for the villagers the previous day. You can say that. I think in short you have understood about the story. That hack driver whose name was Bill, really he was Lutkins. Okay, so he made the liar fool. Okay guys, so this was so much interesting story, and your today's homework is that anyhow you should clear your concept, you should learn this summary.